Hello everyone. Now in that sessions we have to study about types of starter of three-phase induction motors. Now as per your syllabus, you have two types of starter of three-phase induction motors that are star delta starter and direct online starter, also called as dual starter. Now first we have to study about star delta starter. Now before going through star delta starter, first we have to study about what is a star connection and what is a delta connection. So first one is a star connection. So connection diagram of star connection are as shown in that figure. A star connection is a four wire connection on which fourth wire is optional in some cases. The two types of star connection system are possible, that are four wire three-phase system and three wire three-phase system. Out of three wires are the phases and one wire is a neutral, which is common point of three wire as shown in that figure. So RYB, that three wires are phases and N is a neutral point. Now a line voltage is a root 3 times phase voltage, that is VL is equal to root 3 times Vp. Here VL is line voltage and Vp is phase voltage, and line current and phase current are same, that is IL is equal to IP in case of star connection. Then second one is a delta connection. So connection diagram of delta connection is as shown in that figure. A delta connection is a three wire connection. In delta connection only three wire three phase system is possible. All the three wires are phases in a delta connection. The IL is root 3 times IP, that is line current is root 3 times phase current. Then line voltage is equal to phase voltage, that is VL is equal to Vp. So that is delta connection. So difference between star and delta: in an delta connection, VL is equal to Vp and IL is equal to root 3 IP. In an star connection, IL is equal to IP and VL is equal to root 3 Vp. That is the difference between star and delta connection. Now star delta starter. The stator winding of motor is connected in a delta configuration at the time of starting, as shown in that figure. So here a stator winding which are connected in a delta configuration at the time of starting, and when motor accelerate, a stator is connected in a delta configuration to apply a rated voltage to the winding. Then a starting torque is reduced as a torque is proportional to square of stator voltage, and there is a jerk while switching from star to delta. Now here actual motor with a star delta connection are as shown in that figure. So that is a star delta starter. Now second type is a direct online starter, or also called as dual starter. So the connection diagram of dual starter are as shown in that figure. So here a three-phase supply is given to a stator winding, and a fuse and relay which are used for a protection purpose. Then here a contactors are placed between them. Then here a magnetizing coil which are used in that. So there are the two types of contacts used in that figure, NO and NC. NO means normally open, which are used for starting purpose, and NC normally closed, which are used for stop purpose. And there is a squirrel cage rotor which are placed in that figure. Now this method is also known as dual method for starting the three-phase squirrel cage induction motor. In this method, we can directly switch a stator of three-phase squirrel cage induction motor on the supply mains. The motor at the time of starting draw a very high starting current, which is about 5 to 7 times of full load current for a very short duration. The amount of current drawn by the motor depends upon a design and size, but such a high value of current does not harm the motor because of rugged construction of squirrel cage induction motor. Such a high value of current causes a sudden undesirable voltage drop in a supply voltage. So that is direct online starter or dual starter. Okay, thank you.